Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Arikete. You are welcome to my page. Today I want to show you the gadget I got myself. It's year 2024 and we are looking for ways to improve ourselves and to add value to ourselves. So I want to show you this ring light. I got it from one of the stores in Akure here. This is 45 cm 18 inches RGB LED ring light. It has different colors. There are different types of ring lights there, but I just love this one. That is why I go for this one. It has different lights. It has the orange, yellow, green, and also I want to put it together now. Actually, this is my first time of getting this type of gadget. Anything you are getting this year should be an asset and not a liability. We are looking for ways to improve ourselves. So anything you are doing this year 2024, make sure one way or the other is adding to your value. So come with me as I put this thing together. This is the tripod stand. This is the charger. These are the tools. Comes with a remote. This is the charger, and these are the tools. So this one will go here. In this side, depends on the one you want to use at the moment. So I have 3 types of this thing here that comes in 3 different sizes. Also phone holder, it comes in 3 different sizes for the phone holder. So I'm going to use one now. There's a mistake. So this is the final setup. Then the charger. It has USB also. So I will plug it now and show you how it works. You can increase the brightness of the ring light.
Yes.
This is the remote. I want to see how the remote works with the ring light. So I want to off it from here. That is the off, the on, the change in colors of the ring light, the colors you want. This is the green, the red color, the blue. The functions of this ring light are many. That is why I go for this color. There are other types of ring lights that are there, but I just love how this one comes with different colors. Depends on what you want to use it for. You can actually switch it to any colors you want, and I really love how it works. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for this wonderful time. So stay tuned. Please like and share, and stay tuned for more of our content. Thank you very much. Bye.